What's up guys? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Andrianus, Arga Bonardo Manurung. You can call me Arga. I was born in Medan and I live in Cakung. For now I haven't worked. Usually Japanese people do say mangistu, mangan sing terus. So my hobby is playing games. I like games since I was little, and I like rock songs, and I like watching waters films like Fast and Furious films, and my favorite colors are black and white because they are natural colors. In the past, my dream was to become a member of the DPR, but now I don't want to because I'm afraid of being a corrupted. So I want to be a successful person within the abilities I have. My goal in learning English is honey. My communication in English when talking to foreigners at work later. Motivational words are to work hard until you are successful, until your old friend says borrow 100 first. I'll replace it later. I'm sorry if I mistake and you say that, and thank you. Bye bye.